बच्चों आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD A to Z तक, तो वीडियो अंत तक जरूर देखिए। जानते हैं कलर्स नेम। रेड कलर, ब्लू कलर, पिंक कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, डार्क ग्रीन कलर, पर्पल कलर, lime green color, blue color, A for apple, red color, B for ball, B for ball, purple color, C for cat, C for cat, dark green color, D for dog, D for dog, sky blue color, E for elephant, E for elephant, pink color, F for fish, F for fish, lime green color, G for grapes, G for grapes, orange color, H for horse, H for horse, blue color, I for ice cream, I for ice cream, red color, J for joker, J for joker, purple color, K for kite, K for kite, dark green color, L for lemon, L for lemon, sky blue color, M for monkey, M for monkey, pink color, N for nest, N for nest, lime green color, O for orange, O for orange, blue color, Q for queen, Q for queen, red color, R for rose, R for rose, purple color, S for sun, S for sun, dark green color, T for table, T for table, sky blue color, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, pink color, V for van, V for van, lime green color, W for watch, W for watch, orange color, X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree, blue color, Y for yak, Y for yak, red color, Z for zebra, Z for zebra,